Imagine waking up in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s and feeling the same vigor you did in your 30s. Picture a morning ritual that isn't just about waking up, but also about feeling fully alive and ready to tackle the day with boundless energy. For too long, men have accepted the narrative that getting older means getting weaker, that erections will decline, and that sexual prowess is something to reminisce about. But what if I told you that this doesn't have to be your story? What if you could start every day with a surge of vitality, knowing that your body is primed for strength, energy, and even better, stronger erections? Today we're going to pull back the curtain on a little-known secret that could change your mornings and your life forever. As a leading specialist in men's sexual health and performance, I've had the privilege of guiding countless men toward reclaiming their sexual power and vitality. And I've discovered a simple yet profound truth. The key to unlocking your best years might be closer than you think, hiding in plain sight in your daily routine. Now, you might be thinking, how can something ordinary like coffee hold such power? Well, let me introduce you to a concept that is transforming the way men approach aging, the coffee protocol. This isn't your average cup of joe. It is a carefully crafted blend of nature's most potent ingredients designed to supercharge your body and awaken your true potential. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the coffee protocol and how it can be your first step towards a more vibrant, energetic, and sexually fulfilling life, no matter your age. You see, our society often portrays aging as a time of decline, and men typically internalize this message, becoming resigned to weaker bodies and diminished sexual capabilities. But here's the game-changing truth. You don't have to accept this narrative. Your body was built to thrive, and with the right guidance, it can continue to perform at its peak. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would I, a leading expert in men's health, be advocating for a coffee-based solution? Because coffee isn't just a beloved beverage, it's a canvas for transformation. When elevated with the right natural ingredients, it becomes a catalyst for boosting testosterone, enhancing blood flow, and reigniting your inner vitality. These ingredients aren't some fancy laboratory concoctions. They are gifts from nature, time-tested and proven to elevate your body's natural processes. Together, they form a symphony of support for your cardiovascular system, hormonal balance, and overall vitality. Imagine starting your day knowing that every sip you take is fueling your body with the essential elements it needs to function at its best. Now, that's the essence of the coffee protocol. Let us dive deeper into these incredible ingredients and explore how they work in perfect harmony to transform your mornings into a celebration of vitality. Each ingredient in the coffee protocol plays a unique role in supporting your body's natural functions, whether it's boosting testosterone levels, improving blood flow, or enhancing your body's overall performance. Let us break down the magic of each element so you can see the bigger picture of how they work together to support your health and well-being. First, let's talk about the base of our coffee protocol, the humble coffee bean. I'm committed to ensuring that every product I recommend is not just effective, but also aligns with my core values. That's why I've chosen Kicking Horse coffee as the foundation of our coffee protocol. Kicking Horse is known for its commitment to quality, sustainability, and ethically sourced beans. Their coffee is not only delicious, but also supports a healthier planet. Plus, they use recyclable packaging, which means you can enjoy your coffee with a clear conscience. So, when you brew a pot of Kicking Horse, you know you're getting a top-notch product that respects both your taste buds and the environment. When it comes to your diet, I believe in simplicity and effectiveness. That is why the remaining ingredients in the coffee protocol are thoughtfully chosen to complement the rich flavor and robust health benefits of coffee. By combining these natural wonders, you create a blend that not only tastes fantastic, but also supports your body's vital functions. And to ensure that you get the most out of the coffee protocol, I've taken great care in selecting each ingredient for its specific benefits. No unnecessary additives, just pure natural goodness. And to make your morning ritual even more enjoyable, I've included a recipe for a delicious vanilla creamer that lets you indulge in a touch of sweetness without any refined sugars. Crafted with organic cane sugar and creamy coconut milk, this creamer elevates your coffee experience while also supporting your health. Alright, now let's dive into the heart of the matter. How does the coffee protocol actually work? It's like a well-rehearsed orchestra, each instrument playing a part in creating a harmonious blend of flavors and benefits. The natural ingredients in your coffee work synergistically to enhance various aspects of your body's performance. Let's meet the maestro of this composition, the mighty coffee. Coffee's main star player is a compound called caffeine, a natural stimulant that acts on adenosine receptors in your brain. Adenosine, you might recall, is that sleep-inducing chemical that builds up in your body throughout the day, making you feel drowsy. By blocking adenosine, coffee helps you stay awake and alert, kickstarting your day with renewed energy. But coffee's benefits don't end there. It also contains essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and niacin, which contribute to heart health and energy production. Next in the spotlight, we have L-citrulline, an amino acid that plays a pivotal role in boosting nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is like a conductor of your circulatory system, helping to relax and widen your blood vessels for improved blood flow. This enhanced circulation isn't just beneficial for your heart, but also for your reproductive health, potentially leading to better erections. Citrulline's benefits don't stop there. It also aids in the detoxification process, helping your liver remove harmful substances and keep your body functioning optimally. Now, let's turn our attention to L-lysine, another amino acid that's crucial for collagen synthesis. Collagen is the building block of your connective tissues, including those found in your arteries. By boosting collagen production, L-lysine helps maintain healthy blood vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow throughout your body. But that's not all. L-lysine also supports your immune system, helping you fend off infections and stay in top condition. Our next ingredient brings a powerful punch. Tongkat Ali, also known as the Malaysian ginseng, is a natural root extract that's revered for its adaptogenic properties. In simpler terms, Tongkat Ali helps your body adapt to stress, whether it's physical, emotional, or even age-related. It's like an empowering anthem for your body, urging it to stay strong and resilient. But that's not all. Tongkat Ali also supports testosterone production, giving you an extra boost of vitality and drive. And finally, we have saw palmetto. This natural extract has been traditionally used to support prostate health, but its benefits extend beyond that. Saw palmetto helps maintain healthy hormone levels, ensuring that your body's delicate hormonal balance remains in tune. So, gentlemen, as you brew your cup of coffee each morning, remember that you're not just waking up, you're igniting a chain reaction of vitality and vigor within your body. The coffee protocol isn't just a morning ritual. It's a testament to the power of nature to enhance your body's innate abilities. It's a celebration of your strength, vitality, and the boundless energy that resides within you. As you take that first sip, know that you're nourishing your heart, boosting your testosterone, and preparing your body for a day filled with purpose, passion, and perhaps even a bit of adventure. Embrace the invigorating effects of the coffee protocol and let each day be a reminder of the extraordinary capabilities of your body. Remember, age is just a number and your best days are yet to come. And it all begins with a single, transformative cup of coffee. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. My mission is to empower men like you to live vibrantly and to help you reclaim your sexual power and vitality. If you found this information valuable, please show your support. Your support motivates me to keep delivering quality content that makes a difference in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health and a more fulfilling life. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and above all, stay vital.